Hello, everyone. Today I will show you how to use Evernote for business. Many teams only use Evernote for simple notes, but it can be a powerful tool for organizing projects, tasks, and knowledge. First, create business notebooks. Organize notebooks by projects, clients, or departments. This keeps your notes structured and easy to find. Step 1. Use stacks for larger categories. Stacks let you group related notebooks together. For example, all marketing project notebooks can go in one stack to reduce clutter. Step 2. Leverage tags. Tags like urgent, idea, meeting, or research help you filter and search notes across notebooks. This is especially helpful for large teams. Step 3. Share notes and notebooks. Collaborate with teammates by sharing notebooks or individual notes. Everyone can access updates in real time. Step 4. Attach files and links. Evernote allows adding documents, PDFs, spreadsheets, and web links. This centralizes all business resources in one place. Step 5. Use templates. For recurring processes like meeting notes, project plans, or checklists, templates save time. This keeps all notes consistent and professional. Step 6. Integrate with other tools. Connect Evernote with Slack, Google Drive, or Outlook. This streamlines workflows and reduces app switching. Step 7. Review and archive regularly. Archive outdated notes and notebooks. This keeps your workspace clean and focused. So, yeah, using Evernote for business is about structured notebooks, stacks, tags, sharing, attachments, templates, integrations, and regular review. Follow these steps and your team will stay organized and productive. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See